Annyeonghaseyo 여러분. Hello guys, namaste and welcome back to my channel that is Let's Learn Korean. So in this video we'll know how to make sentences in Korean and we'll start with the basic one. So the basic first ending is ida in Korean in English, which means to be. And if we attach an ending to it, it will become 입니다. 입니다. So the ending 입니다 is similar to be verb in English. It may be understood as is, am, are in English, and in Hindi it can be understood as hai. So let us take an example to understand it more clearly. Okay, so this is an example. I am a student. अगर I am a student को हमें कोरियन में ट्रांसलेट करना हो तो ये होगा छोनन 학생입니다. एंड कोरियन को इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करना हो तो I am a student. नाउ अगर हम इसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे तो ये सेम होगा. छोनन इन कोरियन इज I, 학생 is student and 입니다 is am. So छोनन means in Hindi is मैं, 학생 is विद्यार्थी, इम्निदा is who. So मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ. ये सेम ट्रांसलेट हो रहा है हिंदी में. Now let us see one more example. Okay, so if we see this example, I am, and here in the dash you will fill your name. So like I am Geeta. So 저는 기타입니다. 저는 기타입니다. So here the word chonin means I. Here the name Geeta or someone's name will be there in this dash, and Imnida is am. Chonin, Geeta Imnida, Chonin, Rahul Imnida, Chonin, Yongsu Imnida. Any name can be there. And अब अगर इसी सेम को हम हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करें तो मैं गीता हूँ, मैं जो भी आपका नाम हूँ. सो हिंदी में ये एज इट इज़ होता है एंड इंग्लिश में जो एम है वो सेंटर में आ जाता है. सो नाउ लेट्स ट्रांसलेट दिस सेंटेंस टुगेदर. ही इज़ अ टीचर. आई हैव रोट डाउन द vocabularies on the right side. For he we use खबुनन and for teacher we have 선생님 in Korean. So in Korean it would be, okay, let me make it more simple how to write this in Korean. First think it in Hindi. In Hindi it would be वह अध्यापक है, वह एक टीचर है. तो ये होगा हमारा हिंदी में. अब हिंदी को हम कोरियन में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे. फॉर वह वी हैव खबुनन, खबुनन. फॉर टीचर वी हैव 선생님, 선생님. And for hair we have 입니다. खबुनन, 선생님 입니다. ये हो गया हमारा कोरियन में. So it is very simple. If you translate the English version into Hindi and then from Hindi try to translate it in Korean. Okay, now let's translate this sentence into Korean. So first what you have to do, translate the English sentence into Hindi. So in Hindi it would be वह आदमी डॉक्टर है. I am not translating it into proper Hindi. So translate it according to your convenience so that you can understand or you can translate the Korean one more easily. So वह आदमी डॉक्टर है. Now for वह आदमी we have 저분은, 저분은, and doctor we call as 의사 in Korean. 의사, है is 입니다. 저분은 의사입니다. What the things you have to keep in mind when you are translating a sentence of English into Korean. First you have to translate it in Hindi, then from Hindi to Korean. It would be more easier, and you have already watched it, that it would become more easier to translate the Hindi one into Korean one as compared to English. this is your homework for today's video, and try to translate them into Korean and comment all your answers in the comment box, and I'll be checking your homework there only. So in this dash you have to write your name, and in this dash my father is a dash. Here I have to write the occupation of your father, and try to find all the vocabs through internet and use the pattern 입니다 in all the sentences and write down in the comment box. 감사합니다 여러분. 안녕히 계세요. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting.